Okay guys, so this, focus on me, thank you. This, I don't know if I said hi to y'all yet. I hopefully did, with the wig looking cute, but this is going to be done in installments because I don't know if I need to bleach the knots or anything. But as I previously said before, this is from NADULA Hair, and I was very pleased with the shipping. It came so quick, like 3 days quick. I was expecting that because of the type of wig that I got, like since it's such a hot commodity now, it would take longer, but yeah, it didn't. So as I said, NADULA Hair, I'm very excited. And they gave me a bag. Oh, comes with lashes. I got a rat teeth comb. Rat tail comb. What am I talking about? Got a rat tail comb. And I also bought an edged brush. It didn't come with it. I bought this in addition. I've never had a blonde unit before. Y'all seen me in red units and everything, but never blonde. So I'm very excited to try this on. This is in 24 inches, and I'll leave all the rest of the specs either on the screen or down below in the description box with the direct link to the unit. Yeah, I'm going to need to see if I need to bleach these knots. And of course, this is my first time working with the frontal in a while, because I've been rocking this closure for a good 3-4 months. So yeah, let me try it on. Well, the unit has 3 combs, one in the back and then 2 on the sides. I think it fits. Wait, hold up. I think it fits. Wow. This is different. Oh my gosh, this is so different. This is different, but I like it. Wow. I'm gonna have to wash it or anything. I just wanted to make sure it fits, and I think it does. But like, this is what it looks like right out of the package. Oh god, it already feels soft, but yeah, I'm gonna wash it, condition it, and then we'll install it tomorrow. This is so pretty. I love the way it looks against my skin. I can't wait to see it all done. But I already bleached the knots, and I think I did okay. I used a 30 foam developer and everything, and I left it on for 30 minutes, so it's not too bad. This is what hairline is looking like. But yeah, as for the lace, I think this is transparent lace. Yeah, it's not HD lace, that's for sure. But yeah, I haven't worked with transparent lace in a while. I've just been using HD lace. It really don't matter, but no, that's a lie. It does matter. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this melts into my skin. I got some new adhesive products that I've been wanting to try. Gum. So it's gonna be fun. Okay, so I'm going to go section by section and spray under the lace and on top of the lace. But for my skin, I'm going to use the bed head, and then for on top of the lace, whoops, I'm going to use my Wonder Lace Bond. Tasha put me onto this, and I've been using it on my closure, and I like the way it looks, so I'm excited to see how it looks on my frontal. scarf and tie it really tight to lay it down before I cut the lace off. And then I'm gonna add the lace on top of that and tie it down again. Oh my god, y'all know how Google Photos or Snapchat like pops up things from 3 years ago? They popped up something from me from 6 years ago, and I had on these like big chunky press-on nails. Like I've always been into like beauty and, you know, experimenting with things. It looked bad. It always looks bad at the beginning, but gotten better now. See, I did my nails like last week. They look pretty good, if I do say so myself. So it's time to cut off a lip. This part stresses me out every time, but it's okay. I'm gonna pray and get through it. I'm going to see if these little scissors work. They probably don't. They're good enough for my brows, but I don't know if they're good enough for lace cutting. Oh, it did that. Okay. Alright, you might be on to something. Alright, so I know it still looks scary. When I started, I would get scared of this part too, but all you gotta do is take some hairspray and spray on top of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see, instead of getting my hand, where's my comb? My comb. See that right there? It melts it. So that's what you do for this part. So y'all, this is me. Not tinted or anything. I think it looks pretty good. Now, of course, you can see that there's a little cast there, but I think the lace looks good. And then when I tinted and everything, it'll look even better. Ooh! So I'm going to take my bronzer and I'm going to tint this lace a bit. Yeah, this is how NARS spends her vacation, playing with hair. It's so much fun. Y'all, this is me. Ah, she's so pretty. I love it. So this is it. Natural. Let me see if I can like just make it a little bit bigger. Oh, yep. That's pretty. Living for that. So everybody wears it all like defined and stuff. But it's cute as a big old lion mane too. Getting homecoming vibes, which is the point. So yeah, y'all, this is the hair. This is me done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the color of this unit on me, and I think for my first time trying anything like blonde and with highlights and stuff, this was a good company to try. Yeah, so I love it. I'll have all of the specs in my description box down below, and yeah, you will be seeing me in this hair like a lot. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys found this video enjoyable. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.